This scrambled egg pie recipe is a go-to recipe for me when I'm in the mood for something tasty and quick. All I do is I get out a cup-sized glass bowl and rub it down with oil. Not necessarily, doesn't stick that bad anyways. I like to chop up onion into some fine pieces, about a tablespoon, but I mean, depends on what the mood I'm in. Sometimes I go for more. In this case, I'm using cherry tomatoes, and I cut them in half. If they're bigger, I cut them into thirds, but you can use any kind of tomato. It doesn't really matter. Then what I like to do is cook up the onions and tomato a little bit, soften up the onions. Only takes about 30 seconds in the microwave, so it's very quick. Next thing I do is I like to cut the sausage lengthwise and then into little chunks. I don't like them in slices, it's just something about the texture. Then I take a slice of avocado, slice that into 1/4-inch squares, add that to it, and finally add the egg to it. Fun part with this is you don't really have to stir it up that much. You get some interesting effects if you leave whites in it. But I stir it up a little bit, put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and you can actually watch it puff up. If you notice it's starting to get too puffed up or too liquid is gone, take it out early, 50 seconds to 60 seconds. That's it. Tasty little breakfast pie. I like to add a little hot sauce to mine with a side of toast. And if you like to have your food on a plate, it scoops out of the bowl fairly easily, and you got a breakfast meal.